Hi. We are going to try to compose a waltz. I know you're still working a little bit on your other composition, and that's cool too. So I started the waltz. A waltz is usually dance music, but it doesn't have to be. It's in 3/4 time, and this is probably one of the most famous waltzes. We'll play it here. This is the Blue Danube Waltz. It's by Johann Strauss II. You've probably heard it before. It's in a lot of popular movies and cartoons. We're not going to listen to the whole thing because it's 11 minutes long. But I'll post a link to it so you can watch it on the blog as well. I want to go to the more popular part. This part's a little bit dancier. You can still hear the really strong beat one. So a lot of waltzes kind of sound like ba 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 ba, and the waltz I set up for you sounds like that. The other really popular example of a waltz is the Minute Waltz, which is by Chopin, and you've learned about Chopin. Chopin, I think, is on here. Right here. You've heard this waltz before. Still has that ba ba 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so I set up a really quick waltz here for you to start working on. It has, the strong beat 1 and then kind of a weaker beats 2 and 3. You can change all of the notes if you don't like my notes. I'm not sure I like them. But right now it sounds like this. I started with a 1 chord. Then I went to a 3 chord. And I tried a 5/7 chord. And I ended back on the 1 chord. So if you can try to change it, add to it, make it your own, especially this part, I don't know, I just thought it was an interesting transition, but it does sound a little weird. And then add a melody line over the top. So we'll listen to it one more time, and then I will send it over to you so you can make it good. I just made it really quickly. Although I'm realizing now I don't know if you can hear it with the microphone. Okay, I will send it over to you. I hope you're having a good week.